Are you tired of your laptop or phone running out of juice at the worst possible time? Panic mode activated, right? Well, not anymore. Introducing the game-changing AsperX power bank, the ultimate 65-watt with huge capacity of 20,000 milliampere portable charger that's about to revolutionize how you stay powered on the go. Stick around to find out why this sleek powerhouse is your new travel best friend. Picture this. You're on a long flight, ready to dive into that new series on your laptop, but your battery is already crying for help. Or maybe you're juggling work deadlines and your devices can't keep up. That's where this sleek silver beauty steps in. The AsperX power bank isn't just another battery pack, it's a full-blown lifesaver. With 65-watt PD, 3.0 fast charging, 20,000 milliampere capacity, and a super smart LED display, this thing is built to keep you powered up and stress-free no matter where you are. A portable charger so advanced, it feels like carrying a mini power station in your bag, with fast charging, smart features, and the ability to juice up 3 devices at once. This bad boy is here to slay all your charging worries. Oh, and did I mention it's airline-approved? Yeah, let's talk about all features for this small boy. Let's start with what makes this power bank stand out. 65 watts of charging goodness. That's enough juice to quickly charge a MacBook, Dell XPS, or even a Steam Deck. And for your phones, lightning-fast speeds. Forget waiting around all day. This beast keeps your devices ready to go in no time. Got multiple devices? No problem. With 2 65-watt USB-C ports and a 20-watt USB-A port, you can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. Whether it's your laptop, phone, and tablet, or all your friends' dead phones, this power bank handles it all. And yes, charging multiple devices at once might slow things down a bit, but hey, it's still faster than that dodgy outlet at the airport. Packing for a trip, the AsperX power bank has got your back with its airline-approved 20,000 milliampere capacity. That's enough to recharge your smartphone 5 to 6 times or keep your laptop running for hours. Plus, with built-in protections like overcharging and short-circuit protection, you can charge with confidence, no sparks, no drama. Now let's talk about the LED smart display. Unlike those tiny cryptic dots on most power banks, this screen gives you detailed, real-time info about battery levels, input, output power, and charging status. It's like having a mini charging command center in your hand. Finally, this powerhouse works with almost everything, from the latest iPhone 16 and Galaxy S24 to MacBooks, Steam Decks, and even older devices. The AsperX power bank supports all major fast charging standards, including PD 3.0, QC 3.0, SCP, and more. It's truly a one-size-fits-all solution. So how does this power bank perform in the real world? Let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. Whether I'm charging my laptop while working remotely or topping off my phone on a long hike, it's been a trusty companion. The lightweight design makes it easy to toss in your bag, and the durable silver finish ensures it can handle the bumps of daily life. Honestly, it feels like the Swiss Army knife of portable chargers. Okay, quick story time. Last week, I was out running errands when both my phone and laptop died. Classic, right? Thankfully, the AsperX saved the day. I charged both devices while sipping on my overpriced latte, and honestly, I felt like a tech wizard. If you've ever been stuck hunting for an outlet in a public space, this power bank is your new hero. So, what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade your charging game with the AsperX 65-watt power bank? Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about, and if you're already sold, check the link in the description to grab yours today. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay charged, stay connected, and stay awesome. Next up, we're diving into the best gadgets for your holiday travels. See you there. Peace out.